guys, I'm Boyband Neil.
Hey guys, I'm Boyband Ford.
What's up, guys? I'm Boyband Russell.
Hey guys, I'm Boyband Tristan.
And I'm Boyband Joao, and we are
Boyband PH!
with Kuya Winter. And now, welcome to Boyband PH Studio.
Yes, kamusta naman kayo? Welcome back
Hello,
dito sa aming
kamusta?
bagong tambayan, di ba guys?
Oo nga,
Maganda muna tayo sa
ganda-ganda.
Super Fans and
Oo.
Bandmates.
Hello, super fans and
What's up,
bandmates.
super fans?
Yeah,
How you guys
yeah.
doing?
What's up, guys?
Sana ma-enjoy ulit kayo ngayong gabing to.
Bago na, siyempre,
Kumusta?
bago namin kayo haranahin, may mga kwentuhan. Magkwentuhan muna tayo.
Sige,
Yoko.
simulan mo.
Hindi, may tanong lang kasi ako. Kayo ba, ano bang reason nyo kung bakit kayo lumalaban sa buhay? Reason kung sino nagiging inspirasyon nyo? Sino yung nagiging tao para... Sino yung taong nagbibigay sa inyo ng rason kung bakit ka masaya?
Ikaw, Ford. Ikaw, Ford.
Ako talaga.
Ano yan?
Ikaw talaga.
Sige, ikaw muna, Joel.
Yeah. My family is the reason why why I am like this. Why or who I am today.
Shout out to the family.
Yeah. Yeah.
Shout out to the family.
So yeah, I just want to say hi to all of my family back home. Love you guys, miss you guys so much, and yeah, they're the reason.
Ikaw naman, Neil.
This, siguro, sila naman talaga yung reason yung family ko bakit ako nandito ngayon. And of course, especially to my kuya na, di ba, yung story ko.
Nice.
So ayun, my family talaga.
Ikaw, Ford.
Ako naman yung strength ko yung sarili ko.
Uy!
You are the reason
Diba,
yourself talaga.
para may iba naman, para may iba.
Tama yan. Love yourself, di ba?
Siyempre, bukod sa family, siyempre, kailangan mahalin mo rin yung sarili mo.
Ay,
And yun din yung strength mo kasi.
So good. Self-love po ni
wala ka bang ibang reason?
Ikaw naman, Ras.
Ikaw, Ras.
Ako naman, again, I am the reason. Joke lang. Pero, yeah, parang kay Ford, bukod sa pamilya ko, syempre yung parang myself. Because in a way, my family is in a good place naman, lalo sa States. So, syempre, I owe it to myself to do my best. Kasi, at saka, sabi niya, oh, they're in the States, okay na sila. Hindi ko na. Pero, totoo naman. So, syempre, pinaghirapan sila para sa akin. So, syempre, I owe it to them. And I owe it to them, I owe it to myself to do my best. So,
Yun nga, may kasabihan nga, love yourself bago mo muna mahalin ang sarili mo.
Oh my God!
Joke lang yun.
Okay lang.
Joke lang yun.
Minsan ka lang naman maging ganyan eh.
Nakita ko lang yun sa Facebook. Natawa rin ako.
Kaya pala.
Ka magmahal ng
Memes
iba.
naman pala yun. Hindi, memes kasi yun, guys.
Minsan ka nga
Kaya
naman
naman,
magmahal.
Talagang umi-entry siya, kaya nun.
Medyo
Pero
na ano ko dun,
habay na habay yung joke. At dahil yung joke mo, habay na habay, ito rin ang song namin. Habay na habay din para sa inyong lahat. You Are the Reason by Callum Scott. Sana po magustuhan yung lahat.
Yay. There goes my heart beating, 'cause you are the reason I'm losing my sleep. Please come back now. There goes my mind racing, and you are the reason that I'm still breathing. I'm hopeless now.
I'd climb every mountain and swim every ocean just to be with you and fix what I've broken. Oh, 'cause I need you to see that you are the reason. There goes my hand shaking, and you are the reason. My heart keeps bleeding. I need you now. If I could turn back the clock and make sure the light defeated the dark, 'cause spend every hour of every day keeping you safe. I climb every mountain and swim every ocean just to be with you and fix what I've broken. Oh, 'cause I need you to sleep. I'm every mountain and swim every ocean just to be with you and fix what I've broken. Oh, 'cause I need you to see that you are the reason.
Yes!
Yes!
Sobrang nakakalungkot.
Grabe na.
Lang ba na
Ah.
alala?
Ano nagustuhan niyo guys?
Ano
ah?
yun?
Super
You are
Fast
the
and bandmates,
reason.
also, don't forget, you guys are the reason also why we're here today, where we're still together, and why we still love you guys so much. Maraming salamat.
Yes, at bago ang lahat, Ford, may kailangan tayong i-promote, di ba?
Yes, syempre wag niyo po kaming kakalimutang iboto sa nalalapit po ng Mixed Music Awards 2019 for Group of the Year. Sana po asahan po namin ang inyong suporta at pagmamahal sa amin lahat.
Yun.
Ako rin, meron akong...
Ano yan? Ako rin, ako rin.
Meron akong pa-plug in. Ako rin, since nag-plug in na rin si paring Fort
Ayusin mo,
eh.
ayusin mo.
Tropa, galing mo dyan na. Tropa. Ako naman guys, Super Fast and bandmates, kapamilya, abangan niyo po kami as online host for... Wait.
Okay.
Ako na. Hindi, kaya ko to. Isa pa. Nagkamali ako. Isa pa.
Take two.
Hindi,
Five.
Wag mo i-cut to. Wag mo i-cut to.
5, 4, 3, 2,
Isa pa.
action.
Sandali. Super Fans and bandmates kapamilya. Abangan nyo kami bilang online host for Search for the Idol Philippines with Kalat Karen Davila. Maraming salamat. Yun no, di ba? Practice lang, pre. Practice lang.
Makes perfect,
Galing
guys.
mo dun, pre.
And Joao's prove it. Joao's
Yan.
prove it.
Ayun. Sige,
Yeah.
o syempre,
You got it,
ala, na napaglaban mo na yan. Pero may tanong lang ako sa atin ulit.
Ano
bakit?
naman yan?
Sino
Ano?
ba
Boy,
yung
tanong ka talaga?
masasabihan yung you're still the one?
Oh!
Siyempre ikaw. Para kay Ford.
Siyempre, myself.
Hindi kayo, sino? Ikaw muna, Joe. Ikaw muna. Ikaw ang gusto
Ako na
mag-umpisa.
sumagot kanina eh. Kayo naman. Huwag kayo
Oo.
makulit. Huwag kayo makulit. Doon naman sa kabila. Sa kabila naman.
Ah, sige, pagbalik ka
Kabila
naman. Si
kabila.
Neil.
Ikaw, Ford.
Ako siguro yung you're still the one, ay mga boss namin. Yeah, mga boss namin kasi unconditional yung pagmamahal nila sa amin. Ayan. Para may iba naman tayo.
Also, siyempre, I'll answer. I'm gonna say it to the super fans. Y'all are still the one.
Yan!
Y'all are still my love. I still love
Yeah!
y'all.
Sandali pre, feeling ko lahat ng sagot natin for all the
Hindi,
songs
sa
tonight
akin,
is family, friends,
Still the one,
super
my
fans.
family.
May iba naman, guys.
Safe in.
Pero totoo yun, no? Kasi in general naman talaga, sila yung natin eh. The one natin lahat sila eh. Na todo magmahal, sumuporta sa lahat ng puntahan namin, nandun sila sa lahat ng ginagawa namin, sinusuportahan nila kami. Alam nyo, maraming salamat sa inyo. Kayo talaga, taas kamay ako sa inyo. At saka gusto ko rin na batiin yung mga, ang dami kasi nagtatag sa atin, lalo yung mga nag-graduate ngayon.
Oo
na
nga.
naging,
Congrats,
naging
guys.
inspirasyon daw nila tayo. Yun.
Yes.
Wishing
So,
you guys a successful
Alam nyo,
year.
nagbabasa kami, syempre hindi lang namin pwedeng, nababasa namin yung mga messages nyo, yung mga tweets nyo, yung mga DMs nyo.
Yeah.
So,
Yes, thank you for
Nakakatuwa.
using us as your inspiration. But remember, you're still the one
yeah.
Yeah.
who made it.
At dahil dyan, ito na po, awitin na po namin ang napakagandang awitin na to, You're Still the One.
By Shayna
By,
Twain.
yes, by Shayna Twain.
Looks like we made it. Look how far we've come, my baby. We might have took the long way. We knew we'd get there someday. They said, I bet they'll never
Just look at us holding on. We're still together, still going strong. Still the one,
You're still the one I run to, the one that I belong to. You're still the one I want for life. Still the one, you're still the one that I love, the only one I dream of. You're still the one I kiss goodnight.
Ain't nothing better. We beat the odds together. I'm glad we didn't listen. Look at what we would be missing.
They said, I bet they'll never make it. But just look at us holding on. We're still together, still going strong. Still the one I run to, the one that I belong to. You're still the one I want for life. You're still the one that I love, the only one I dream of. You're still the one I kiss goodnight. You're still the one I run to, the one that I belong to. You're still the one I want for life. You're still the one that I love, the only one I dream of. You're still the one I kiss goodnight. I'm so glad we made it. Look how far we've come, my baby.
Yes! Guys, maraming salamat po sa inyo at sana nagustuhan niyo yung kantang iyon. At guys, magpapaalam na tayo sa mga super friends and bandmates.
Yes,
Thank you, super fans.
Alam nyo, maraming salamat sa inyo sa mga tumututo kung saan man kayo naroroon, kung sa taxi, sa jeep, sa bus, kung sa van, kung
Outer
nasan man
space.
kayo ngayon, kung traffic man kayo, sana napasaya namin kayo. Mahaba man ang traffic nyo, pero sana nakapagbigay kami ng maikling ligaya sa inyo. At syempre, gusto namin pasalamatan si Kuya Winter!
Yes! Ang poging gitara namin, nag-iisa talaga siya, guys.
Yes, and
Yeah.
syempre,
Bye-bye.
parang tayo, and again,
We
we
are
are Boy Band PH! Thank you for watching
Boy Band PH Studio! Bye-bye!